Hello friends, today we are going to learn about motions of the earth. So the first thing I'm going to tell you about, that is that the earth's axis is like this. Hey wait, I think I'm missing something. It's a bit tilted. So what I mean that is that the earth is the that the earth's axis is not vertical, it is a bit tilted. So the Earth's axis is bit tilted, and that is what causes the seasons. And there is also the revolution of the Earth, which helps us to experience different seasons. But if there was no tilt of the Earth, there was no seasons. Wait, let me switch on the fan. Okay. So the Earth's axis is not vertical; it is a bit tilted, and everything, like, you're surrounded by small round things. You can see it everywhere, like this exercise ball, or the fan's regulator, or the pencil stop is also round. The molecules from which this pencil is made, the exercise ball, and this paint also, and the teddy bear also, as you can see there. So these are made of round particles which are known as molecules. So if you will see anything in your daily life, it is like this. Okay? So imagine that this is the earth. So as I told you that its axis is not like this. It's a bit tilted. It's a bit tilted like this. So the earth's axis is tilted. So wait. So this axis is nothing but just an imaginary line. So it is not real, it's just an imaginary line which you can also see in globe, because it is not a real earth, it's just a model of earth. So you can see it in a globe. So the earth is tilted, but it is not just like this. It also rotates like this, and it just not only rotates, it also revolutes. So imagine that this yellow exercise ball is the sun. As you can see, I have the sun here, which is a good example, and I have the earth here. Wait, I'm forgetting something. So we have got this ball here. So now it contains a line. So let me explain you another thing. So you can see this blue line over here, this one. So this line is also an imaginary line, and this ball has this line, but like the axis, this is also an imaginary line which passes through the earth, and it divides the earth into two halves. The upper one is the northern hemisphere and the lower one is the southern hemisphere. So it is very close to the north pole. As you can see, here is the north pole, so it is called the northern hemisphere, and this one is the south pole, and thus this is called the southern hemisphere. So we have learned that the earth rotates on its axis, but the earth also revolutes, as you know. But the earth rotates on its axis. But on which thing does the earth revolutes? So the answer is it revolutes on its own orbit. So it rotates on its axis and it revolutes on its orbit. So as you can see, the earth revolutes like this. Here it comes and here it goes backwards, and then it again comes like this, and then again goes on its journey. So this is what causes seasons. So do you know that why this earth revolutes? So this, I can't say this. Our earth revolutes because of the strong gravity of the sun. So it rotates on its axis and it revolutes because of the strong gravity of the sun. So why it revolutes? Because of the strong gravity. So the sun pulls it and then releases it. And then again pulls and then this continues. So this is how the earth rotates and revolutes. So hope you like this video. So thank you friends. Bye bye.